What is up, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap. Today is March 10th, 10th March 10th, and today we got a green day, but it's actually a red day. Like I don't know. It's I don't know how to feel about it. Bruv, what the fuck? Holy lag. I don't know how to feel about this day. Um, so pretty simple. We got two trades today. One was bullish and one was bearish, right? My mistake today was I was unsure about my bias, I guess. I wasn't like locked in. So high time frame bias was bullish, right? You can see on higher time frames we're moving upwards, we're respecting bullish, disrespecting bearish, and so on and so forth. Before market opened, we had a bearish S&P divergence, so NQ making a higher high, while ES making a lower high, right? So NQ is the lacking index in this case. We want to go down, right? Now, we had London highs up here, London lows right here. On yes, London highs up here, and then London lows right here. You can see marked out with London, right? London. Yeah, right. Now we had a 1 hour, bro, my head is hurting so bad. We had a 1 hour fair value gap right here on both of the indexes. And this is kind of what I should have looked out for, but I kind of look. We had the SMT, the bearish SMT, and then on the lower time frames, we respected this fair value gap on ES, but kinda disrespected it disrespected it on NQ, right? So you can see right here 1 hour fair value gap. ES went into the fair value gap, respected it, went down. NQ went up, went a bit higher than the 1 hour fair value gap, right? But still like reasonable, you know what I'm saying? And then we got also a downwards movement. After this downwards movement, I should have been bearish, right? Like that was my mistake, basically. After we respected the bearish fair value gap, I should have been bearish for the day. I wasn't. Actually, like later on after like all the trades were closed, I saw this opportunity right here. Not this one. We had this fair value gap on the 1 minute, right? Which got disrespected, and then we tapped back into it and then got a bearish reaction off of that, right? After this, I could have possibly went short. Why? I mean, we had this a little fair SMT divergence, bang, as you can see, right? And then I could have possibly went short after this. So it would have looked something like this probably. Wait, let me go like this. I don't know if I would have probably targeted London lows, but there would have been a first take profit somewhere around here, right? So it would have looked something like this. This should have been the ideal trade. Now what happened? We had news, so I waited out for the news because it was pretty late. Basically, the first trade was complete shit. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Like, I don't even know. Trading unlocked. Oh yeah, right. So, um, I was just tweaking, probably. I was really just tweaking. My bias was wrong for the first trade. I was just looking out for the wrong things, and that was my whole mistake. After this trade, I should have been done for the day. I lost $170. My maximum risk is $200. I should have been done. I should have stopped trading at that point. Now, the problem was I got like post-trade clarity, and I was thinking like, okay, like I know my mistake now. What the fuck? I should have been bearish. Like, actually. What I should have done is I should have seen this 3 minutes fair value gap on NQ, been like, oh shit, I'd like after the bearish close, I should go short, right? This is like a good sign to go short right here. Would have looked something like this. This would have been the only trade that I would have taken at that day, right? 1.7 risk to reward is all right. Didn't do that. Stupid. Post not clarity, yeah, right, dude. Post trade clarity hit, and then I realized like, okay, I should have gone short. At this point where I got the like clarity about the trade, we were already moving down here, and I was like, okay, we will definitely target London lows. This should be the target for the day, right? We will definitely sweep them out. We didn't sweep them out. We went up into this fair value gap right here, and I was just like, fuck it, dude. I'm just gonna um, go over my usual risk, go above $200, and just take a short after some kind of bullish looking candle, which was this one. I wanted to actually wait for a red candle, right? A candle which closes red, but I just entered right here, stop loss above this high, this kind of like high right here, take profit at London lows, and I didn't really have low time frame confluences, right? The whole reason was just like market experience and me saying like we definitely we have to take out London lows. Like we can't be this close. Yes, taking it out and you just moving upwards, right? So I just took the trade, 3.3 restore ratio. I risked $75 on the second trade, which is around 45% of the first trade, right? Of the risk of the first trade. So I lost $170 on the first trade. Half of that would be around $85, and I risked like $75, right? On the second trade. And I made on the second trade 200 and $232, as you can see. So I lost 170 on the first trade, made back 230 on the second trade, which is up like $60. You can see realized P&L $60, and after the fees, we're up $56. I don't know what to think about this day. Like, if I got the clarity a bit earlier, if I was like, okay, bro, we're like definitely like bearish at this point in this short period of time, I would have went short earlier. What happened after this was actually we continued the higher time frame bias. Like it was a valid trading idea, it was fully valid, like 100%, not even emotional thinking. The trading idea behind this second trade was fully valid. What wasn't valid was the entry reason. We tapped into a 3 minute fair value gap and I was just like, fuck it, let me enter, right? If I waited for a red close like this one, let's see if I can show you guys. If I waited for this candle to close, then I could have put my stop loss around here, right? And then still targeted these lows. 2.8 risk to reward ratio wouldn't have made a big difference, and it would have been a more valid trade, right? Didn't do that. I don't know. I wouldn't say this is a really, really good day. Um, so yeah, made $56 wrongly, I guess. Um, Trading idea was still valid, so that's the only thing that I like can that's the only positive thing, you know what I'm saying? I went against my plan, but like the trading idea was the right one. And yeah, basically everything for the day. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys learned something. We are up, yeah, around $700 on the month. Last month we lost a lot of fucking money. We lost like $600, and now we're up $66. So that's an improvement. Let's see what tomorrow gives us. I need to be more calm tomorrow. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.